everyone, welcome to the first tutorial on learning about your Microsoft Teams. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have Teams downloaded as a desktop app. You can access Teams through the web browser, through tablets, through your phone, but when it comes to features and creating assignments or editing your notebooks, you're going to want to go through the desktop app. If you don't have it already installed, then you just go to the website for Microsoft and go ahead and just download the application app. So here you'll see my different classes, or what we call Teams. This is very similar to your Google Classrooms, but here is your Microsoft Teams. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to create our team so that we can start practicing and seeing what this is all about. Here you have your three choices. Well, definitely two, possibly three. You can go ahead and create your team, which is what we're going to do. If somebody has created a team and has not directly invited you to it, they can give you a code and you go ahead and join in with that code. Or you'll have other teams that will be as suggested that you could join. So right here, we're going to go to create your team and you have your four choices. This here, other, with clubs, study groups, after school activities. This is just great for small little groups. It's very limited in what you can do, but it'll meet the purpose if you're just joining as a group. Staff, you're already used to your staff teams because that's what all your principals have and set up for your school and for your meetings. And you actually click on that Teams link for your after school meetings. You have a professional learning community, so you could be like for a department, it could be for a group. We're actually going to use the PLC as the notebook that we're going to play around with. And then you have your class. So if you want to run your classes through Teams as opposed to Google Classroom, this is here where we're going to build because all the features will be conducive to a classroom. So we're going to go ahead and click that, and I'm just going to title it. You could title it as your name. Okay, I would suggest to title it as your name. I'm going to just call it test. You can do a description, but then again, if it's just for you, you don't need to do that. You have two options, private or public. Always keep private so you can be in control of who's going into your team. Now you go ahead and you create your team. Then you decide whether or not you want to add people. Again, for now, it's going to be just our team or just for yourself. And here you go. You created your first team. Stay tuned. We'll go on to the next level on how we can learn about the features of your team.